So this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 84 of Building the Batmobile. In this issue, we're not doing very much building. We're starting on the firewall with the engine compartment. But first of all, obviously, Season 2, Episode 84 from February the 23rd, 1967. In the previous episode, Catwoman had captured Batman and Robin on a rooftop. Yeah, and placed them in an outside coffee cup, where they were about to be scalded and scarred by sulfuric acid, probably killed as well, but I assume they get away with it. It's the one where Batman fights a duel and is nearly seduced by Catwoman. Nearly, not quite. The Man Who Laughs, obviously still the Joker. Batman 08 Part 2, many limited series. Interesting different art styles in there as well. Death Mask, I've heard of that one. There we go. That's that. The Gotham Underground. Cool. That's definitely above ground though. So yes, this is what we got. We got the firewall and we've got apparently the fuse box and something. Semicircular pin and pinhole. Push the fuse bracket into the fuse box and fit a cable to it. And that's it. That's all we do. We put a cable in, put two bits together, and then we put it aside until next time when we're obviously going to be doing more with it. But for now, that is that. Let me put this away and we'll clear the bench and we'll get that, what little bit of building we've got to do, done. So we have the firewall, which has got some moulded details on it, some bits in there. I don't know what I've got to go where, but for now, we're not doing anything with that. What we are doing is putting this bit together. We've got half bayoneted thread to put in there. Get it the right way round. Put that in there. Come on. That's the flat side. Just got to go together. And it isn't. Why isn't it? Right. One thing we've got to do in building this, and it won't actually go together. So I shall file that down and get that sanded in and fitted properly. But then, actually, it doesn't matter which way up that goes. So this has just got to go in one side. So there we go. That's that bit done. And this bit, let's do that now. Might as well do it live because there's nothing else to do. If I've got my file somewhere, there we go. Little modeling file. Just take that flat side down. Shape that just a little bit. And then around the other side, just take the edge off. And then we can just push that into there, that way round. There we go. No, still not going in there. Let me double check the instructions just to make sure. You've got one on the screen there, but I've put mine away because I thought this was so easy. No, that is exactly like it says it has to go in. No, it isn't. Sorry, that's not the bit that I've got to fit in. It's this bit that I've got to fit in. There we go. So that bit goes in there. That other shape piece is going to fit in somewhere else. So there you go. Always follow the instructions more carefully. So there we go. That's that put aside for later. And that is another issue completed. So I'll see you for more next time when we're probably going to be putting these bits together. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.